Hi, I'm Dr. Gorzinski, an orthopedic surgeon at Columbia Memorial Bone and Joint Center. If you're visiting this website, then you're probably researching joint replacement options for yourself or a loved one. We're the only orthopedic surgeons in the region offering Mako-assisted hip and knee replacement. Mako is a highly advanced robotic system that allows for custom, hyper-accurate surgical plans and procedures. Conventional surgery simply cannot offer the same degree of precision and accuracy. What that means to you as a patient is a better balanced, more natural-feeling joint, a shorter recovery time, and a quicker return to an active, pain-free life. As you do your research, I invite you to explore this website for more information about what makes our Mako joint replacement experience special. If you have any questions, please contact us directly for a consultation. We want to ensure that you have all the information you need to make the choice that's right for you.